So if you have been struggling as a blogger, or probably you just want to go into blogging and you need adequate information or adequate education about what blogging is all about, believe me, you are in the right place. In this particular video, I'm going to be explaining everything from the beginning till the end of blogging for you, so that you can know how to get started, you can have information about it, all the challenges that you are facing, all the mistakes you should not make, everything. I'm going to be breaking everything down for you appropriately in this particular video. You see, this particular video, I'm going to be making it very short, and I'm going to be making the video precise, so that anytime you watch any of my videos, you can actually learn and continue to learn. Now, please, there is one thing that I want you to do for me. If you are a first timer watching my video, I would recommend you, before you start this particular video that I'm creating on this particular page, I would recommend you that you have a note that you are going to be using to jot down, because believe me, I'm going to be breaking down all my videos appropriately. I'll make it step by step, so that anytime you are here on this particular page that you want to learn, you are going to be jotting down one or two things that you have learned. Because believe me, by the end of all my videos, you should be proud of yourself. You should be able to call yourself a blogger, because I'm going to be walking you through all the required knowledge that you need to know about blogging. Just stay updated, stay anticipated, because in this particular page, believe me, you will learn a lot. I'm going to be explaining how the whole processes is going to be in my next video, so that you can have the full structure of how I am going to be creating my videos and what you should be expecting in every of my videos. I am African Prince Alex, and if you are one of my students, please kindly pay attention to this particular video. And if you are not one of my students and you want to learn, you are also allowed. In my previous video, I said I'm going to be breaking down everything you are going to be learning on this particular page based on blogging, so that by the end of all my videos, you should be able to stand out as a blogger. You should have created your own personal blog, and you should start blogging. But before you can start blogging on this internet space, you need to have the adequate knowledge of what blogging is all about, so that it can be easier for you to achieve your goal as a blogger. Now, I said in my last video that I'm going to be breaking these particular topics down step by step for you, so that you can understand. Now, believe me, I'm going to be breaking it down into different phases, but I don't want it to be too long for you. I'm going to be starting from phase 1 only. And this phase 1 is going to be covering the foundation of what blogging is all about. Let's just say the blogging fundamentals, what you should know as a complete beginner that is a blogger, or probably if you are a blogger and you don't really understand what you are doing. This particular phase 1 is going to be elaborating your knowledge about what blogging is all about. So these are the things I'm going to be covering in this particular stage 1, in this particular phase 1 of these videos. So in the phase 1 of this particular video, like I said, this phase 1 is only for beginners. And what I'm going to be covering, I'm going to be starting from the simplest thing. I'm going to break down to you what blogging is all about. If you have your pen and paper, just like I said in my previous video, please, you need your pen and paper to jot down some important things you are going to be learning in this particular video. The number one thing I'm going to be covering is, what is blogging? After I explain everything about blogging, then I move to what blog is all about. Because if you don't understand what blog is all about, you cannot become a blogger. So after you understood what blog is, then we move to then who is a blogger. You remember, your purpose for watching every of my videos is for you to have adequate understanding about blogging, so that you can also become a blogger. You need to know who a blogger is, which I'm going to be explaining in the third topic under my phase 1. So after I have explained all those 3 topics under my phase 1, then we are now going to be moving to why blogging still works very well in 2026. I'm sure you would have seen some of the people advertising, they made a lot of money as a blogger, this and that. How did they do it? I'm going to be talking about the reason why it works better in 2026. And after that time, we are now going to be moving down to how a blogger actually makes money online. You see, all this required knowledge and knowledge that you need, that will allow you as a blogger as well to understand various ways you can actually make money on this internet space. I will explain everything for you when I get to my topic 5. The topic 6 is where we are going to be comparing. So I don't want this video to be too long. In my next video, other things that I'm going to be covering in this particular video. Please, if you don't want to miss out, remember what I said from the very first beginning, get your pen and paper. Just look for a clean note that you are going to be using to jot down some important things that you are going to be learning in this particular video. Please, if you have not given this video a like, try to give it a like to support my journey, because whenever I see the like there, it's going to give me an encouragement for me to create more videos for you, so that you can also learn and we can also all grow together. I am African Prince Alex, and I'll see you in my next video. If you are one of my students, please kindly pay attention to this particular video. And if you are not one of my students and you want to learn, you are also allowed. Blogging versus YouTube. Blogging and YouTube look very, very similar. Let me quickly give you a brief summary. On blogging, you write, people read, you make money. On YouTube, you create videos, people watch, you make money. Are you getting it now? We are going to be differentiating blogging versus YouTube, blogging versus Facebook, and blogging versus TikTok. How can you become a blogger, or all the things you need to know about that? I'm going to be breaking it down for you in our topic 6 of this particular video. In the topic 7, I'm going to be covering blogging versus content writing. You see, there is one thing you need to know. Majority of content writers are bloggers because they understood very well what content writing is all about. If you want to get my full videos about content writing, you can easily just check my TikTok page. That is where I create detailed video about content writing. You get full information about content writing there. But in this particular page, I usually talk about blogging. So please, in that particular topic 7, we are going to be talking about content writing versus blogging. And in our topic 8, under the phase 1, I'm going to be breaking it down for you, blogging versus copywriting. These are the required knowledge that you need to have in order for you to excel as a blogger. And believe me, on this particular page, I will break everything down for you appropriately. If you are getting value in this particular video and you also want to become a blogger, please, I want you to drop it in the comment section that African Prince Alex, I am actually watching this video and I am following and I am jotting down in my notes. I would really appreciate your comments. So in my topic 9, I'm going to be differentiating blogging and affiliate marketing. I will now tell you now that majority of all bloggers are also affiliate marketers. How do they become affiliate marketer? I will tell you the difference, how they are going to be linking each other together to make profitable business around it. I will explain everything for you in this particular video. So that is my what? That is my topic 9. And in the last topic that I'm going to be creating videos on, under the phase 1, which is the foundation or the fundamentals of blogging, is the myth, the mind that people are talking about blogging. I'm going to break all these things down for you so that you can have the adequate knowledge. Then you don't fall for anything that people say. You know what you are doing, you go for it, you implement it, and believe me, you are also going to be seeing your results. In my next video, I'm going to be starting afresh from the very first beginning for better understanding. If you have somebody that you want him or her to also benefit from this blogging video, please don't forget to share this video to them. And if you have not liked this video, support my journey by just giving this video a like, and also follow my page if you haven't done so. I am African Prince Alex, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.